CMM is computerized manufacturing and machining. If I were explaining it to a younger person and they come on off the street and they ask me, they go, what do you do? Well, we take a piece of metal and we turn it into a product, or we turn it into a project, or we make a tool. A tool maker, a machinist, they work behind the scenes. A lot of times, you know, when something's broke, those guys are the ones, they take the broken pieces and they make a whole new one, a lot of times without print. Students get a wide variety of, you know, seeing the whole machine shop. We have pretty much every machine that would be in a working machine shop.
The reason I decided to go to enter a machining program is I've always had an interest in the way things are made and the way things work. We all interact with a large number of objects that are manufactured in our day-to-day lives, and it never occurs really how these things are produced. And once you kind of get that behind the scenes look of how things are made, it kind of opens your world up and you start to see just the endless possibilities that are available within this technology. It's just really cool.
ECTC has one of the best programs in the state. They have a long history of quality teachers, and we've been a partner with them for all of my career, really, for 18 years with Haas. And we always go out of our way to try to help them any way we can. Every shop that I have from here to Paducah would hire a machinist that comes out of here that can read a blueprint, fire up a Haas machine, and make a part.
I think the way ECTC prepares students for their future career goals is they expose you to as many different manufacturing technologies as are possible. So a student that leaves this program will have a broad base of knowledge of a large number of manufacturing technologies and will make themselves a lucrative prospect for any employer.
My role is to help students be successful. Even when a student is discouraged, you know, go to them and say, hey, I'm going to help you. I'm going to help you get to the next level. You know, you got to help me. So here's what we're going to do in these steps to see you get to the next level. Because here at ECTC, we are not just passing a student, we are putting our name on them when they go to the industry.